Here he comes. This is Nakoa. This is his second day on his bike. He is 4 years old. He's riding a 2000 Suzuki JR50. Yeah. I saw that. You're doing very good. And what we're practicing with him now is just throttle control, being really slow and really smooth on the throttle, nothing jerky. He's got good balance, but we're just working out the throttle control. You're doing very good, son. Not too shabby for 4 years old. He actually started riding a little earlier than Wyatt did. I think Wyatt was around 5 or so. Oh, there's his first crash. We'll go get him.
My turn. You did a good job, Nakoa. It's okay.
And there's Mama. Well, you had your first crash. Did you survive? Up one will be neutral. There it is. And then down one and he'll be ready to go. Alright, Nakoa. Right back on her like a soldier. Good job, babies. There it was, first crash, and he lived.